Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Roblox error 264. So let's get started. So to fix that you have to follow this easy step. Just open the Roblox. Okay. If it shows in the beginning, then you have to close it and then press and hold to the app. Just click to that I button. It will open the app info section of your app. So at here you have to scroll down. Just go to the storage, clear the data. Okay, then open the app again. If it works, then fine. If it does not work, then check for an update. So checking for update is easy. Just open your Google search bar and search for Roblox. Okay, so here we will directly search for the Roblox. So you can just go and install the latest version and it will work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.